Find your nature with WildObs Lookout. When you're out and about, start Lookout and it will geolocate your current position. Then it will communicate with the WildObs server and pull down local encounters. For example, here at Rocky Mountain National Park, we find a coyote that was wandering down the road because the snow was too deep for it to walk in the woods. You're able to look at any photo for the encounter. You're able to find out more about the encounter, including mapping it, and you're able to look up the species. With the species, you can check out other images from other observers, map closest encounters, but also compare it to different but related species. You can browse local encounters, investigating any ones you choose. Or you could ask it for specifically encounters from your WildObs favorites or wishlist species. Additionally, you may ask for featured, recent, or popular encounters from the community. Let WildObs Lookout help you find your nature.